How to share live location in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can share live location in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share live location in Google Maps, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Google Maps application. And after you open the Google Maps app, tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side. And here you'll find an option known as location sharing, where you want to make sure to simply tap on it. And once you tap on location sharing, tap on share location, and then simply give access to your current location here, and then you can simply select a time frame, or you can select until you turn this off as well, or you can select this, and you can simply choose to copy the link if you'd like, or you can simply send this to any people that you like through Messenger, Telegram, or whatever else you prefer here. This way you'll be able to actually share live location in Google Maps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.